In this video, we will see how to perform topographic corrections. For this, go to the Position tab and find the 3D Topo Correction option at the bottom. In order to enable this, first you need to make sure that you are in the Advanced Slicing mode. Let's go to the Process tab and under Slicing, select the Advanced mode. Note that the 3D Topo Correction will not work in the Live Slice mode. Let's go back to Position. Now that we are in Advanced mode, we can enable the 3D Topo Correction. In order to visualize the corrected data, go to the 3D View mode. Now we can see the altitude changes, and also we can check the altitude values from the vertical axis on the left. We can also rotate the view to visualize parts of the data better. Also, we can use the exaggeration tool and exaggerate the vertical axis. Here we have used the warped mode for topo correction, but we can also choose the level plane.